How to hide or unhide location on your profile on REDNote. Launch REDNote app on your phone and make sure to log into your account with your login credentials. After a while, you will land on this homepage of REDNote. Proceed by tapping Me button at bottom right to access your profile. Tap Profile at top right corner and all the option gets loaded on your profile feed. Among this entire option, select Location. In order to hide your location, you simply need to turn off the button for Show Location, and your location won't be publicly displayed on your profile. To unhide your location on your profile, toggle the button on, and then your location will be publicly displayed. In this way, you can easily hide or unhide your location on a RedNote application's profile. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.